What is good, family, and welcome back to this channel. Those of you who have not yet, subscribe button, hit that thing down below, and let's show some love here with the thumbs up. So basically, as you can see, we're still not completely thawed out. And day 3 of no school. Ain't that lovely? So these for the kiddos. That's school, and then it's that. Hey. How you doing, bub? What are you doing? Alright, you're putting your animals in the truck? Yeah. Apparently we put animals in the truck. Christmas tree. Miss right around the bend, homies. I love Christmas. I love Christmas. Can you have a video where we don't come and say hello to Annabelle? My favorite Annabelle. 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 Look at his eyes. She's staring at you. Because she's Annabelle. Annabelle stares at things. Because, well, she's Annabelle. Yes, I named my doll Annabelle. You have a problem with that? I like Percy Jackson. Yeah. Oy, everything is melting. Amy, the world is melting. The birdie feeder. Considering what you homes have done, I see. This is improvement. Just taught from Sunday all the way to Wednesday to make it this far. Sad. Sad, love, sad. Update on keys. I'll be doing more story reading soon. Get this precious with me. Those of you who don't know, it's 3 a.m. I'm planning a 3 a.m. video with my precious tool here. See if we can get better responses at 3 a.m. than we do at 3 p.m. But we ain't this shit. It just started wobbling, which means, like, just pulsing. This means they really didn't want to talk at the current time, so bad time for spirits, I guess. You notice the treatments they've been using on me, it's finally working. Slowly starting to get my face back. And we still have no idea what caused all of this. Okay, I'm 28. I'm near close 30. I should not be getting this. And for those of you who didn't know, yeah, I'm 28. I'm not ashamed to admit it. I'm gonna be an old crone someday anyway, so age with grace. Oh, you can see all the snow through my glasses. Isn't that lovely? No. Anyway, I just wanted to give a short update that we are finally thawing out a little bit. And I will be probably going to the dentist on Friday, so probably more epic then. Because I'm getting another tooth pulled. I'll be getting the top one pulled where I got the bottom one pulled last time. So no more achy tooth, which is amazing. Amazing. So I love you guys. Sorry if this is kind of short. Just thought I would do a quick one between work sessions of household stuff. Okay. Gotta get that one going. Get that one going. Thank the gods for giving it to me. the goddess, you know, thankful. And I had read on one post that a lot of people don't wear around with pride, but there's mine. Never comes off my neck, ever. And yes, it has a wing on it as well, so protection. Not demons, but protection. So that never comes off, ever. Never, ever, ever, ever. Show your pride, people. Show your pride. Don't be afraid of what people think. Love each and every one of you. Blessed be. May the gods and goddess totally bless every one of you watching this. Peace out.